Hey everyone, I'm Bill.
And I'm Wagner.
And we're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to, again, Lake Berryessa, our backyard. But today's a special day, babe. The all-new look of the Ducati Streetfighter V4 S with the Corsa livery. Babe, I love it. I absolutely love it. It's so crazy because it's like a whole new bike, and I've missed this bike so much, but all the carbon fiber. It's been 2 weeks, so cool your jets. But all the carbon fiber, the paint is just, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. If you guys haven't seen the reveal video, make sure we'll link that up above. Take a look at that and watch Eddie do his magic on this thing. But Lake Hennessy, babe, let's get rolling. So, happy 4th of July, by the way. So we're out for a little ride, and I am going to be heading off for travel tomorrow. Oh, we got ink coming. So I'll be heading out for travel tomorrow. So we had to get out for a ride. And I'm going to be heading down to New Mexico for a couple days. And then I'll be heading down to LA pretty much immediately. I get home Monday night and I leave Tuesday morning down to LA for work. So work's been busy. But if you guys didn't know, we are going to be doing a San Diego and Los Angeles ride. So if you guys are in the San Diego area, we'll be down there on Saturday picking up the new HP2 Sport. So excited. And then on Sunday, we're going to head up to LA and we're going to be doing the Angeles Crest mountain ride. And I'll be on the Streetfighter V4 S. So if you guys are interested in taking a look at this thing in person, come on out. It should be a good fun time. It should be a good fun ride. It'll be kind of a easy pace ride because of course we don't know the area, so we'll need a ringleader. If there's any ringleaders out there that want to meet us up, hit us up in the comments down below. But the livery paint job is absolutely gorgeous. It is a out of the park slam dunk touchdown goal unit for Eddie over at Shred Dog. Eddie, thank you so much once again. I think bike number 5 with Eddie, and it just gets better and better and better. And so, you know, I took Eddie the Ducati 2 weeks ago and gave him a week, but we need a little bit more time. So 2 weeks, not that bad. But it's just so perfect, and it's so nice. The lines are so crisp and sharp, and just everything's so nice. Everything's blended in. So what he did was basically we've got like 4 colors on this: white, red, blue, and a little bit of gray on the side. Most of it's red, white, and blue. Again, happy 4th of July. But yeah, so you know, he laid down the white, then he laid down all of the extras, and then what he did was to make this nice and durable, he actually used a special clear coat, which is glossy, and then he mats it down and then sprays a satin hardener over it to make it look as beautiful as it does. So Eddie, thank you, brother. Thank you so much. But guys, I have missed this bike for the last 2 weeks. I didn't mind riding the R9T finally, but what a different bike this is. I mean, I just got on this thing and I'm just at home, guys. I absolutely love this bike. So we've got some stuff more coming for the bike. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Smash the like button. Because we've got some we've got some parts in. We've had some parts for a few weeks, but we didn't have a bike. So we've got some stuff that's ready to go in. We're also going to be heading up to Eurocycle Reno because the quick shifter recall is ready for me up there. So it will be a couple weeks before we make it up there. Get some new parts put on. We're going to get some new shoes put on this thing. I've decided that I do want to switch out the Pirellis, and I am going with a 255 Power RS. And I'm just a lot of people, you know, they really like the Pirellis. I really like, me and Wagner really like the Michelins. We've been riding Michelins for a couple of years, and we just feel they're the tire for us. And realistically, with tires nowadays, it's really a personal preference, you know. Look, there's nothing wrong with the Pirellis. There's nothing wrong with the Dunlops, Metzlers, the Michelin. They're all great tires. Obviously, get the tire that's right for your riding style. So that's one of the important things I'll say to you guys is, you know, if you guys are a little bit more aggressive on the canyons, you know, maybe cross between like that Q4 or that Power Cup Evo tire, or the Diablo Corsa Rosa 2, I believe, is the kind of like medium track tire. Although I'm hauling some mail out here with you guys, I prefer a little bit longer longevity, so I tend to go with more of the Q3 style or the Power RS style, maybe the S20, or I think they're releasing the new S21 or something like that. So that kind of style is the tire that I personally like to run. It gives me some good longevity. I'm not burning up tires. And for me out here on this bike, or on most of my bikes that all have decent electronics, it's more tire than we really need. We don't need to go with a Q4 qualifier track day tire out here, because all you do is you get 1,000 miles out of it, you know? So these things, you know, we're gonna get, this tire's got about 1,800 miles now already on it. So we're gonna be switching out that soon. And it's, I will tell you, it's the first time in probably 4, maybe 5 years, I've replaced the tire because the center's gone. Now let me explain before you guys laugh. Take it down just a notch, let Honey Bunny catch up with us. Why they're worn out? Well, I solely pretty much ride out on the mountains now. I used to, for the last 4 or 5 years, I almost solely did truck days. So of course I just burned up the edge of the tires. And it's funny because I like sold my I used to sell my truck day tire takeoffs for, you know, to the street guys, because I always had meat in the middle. But now, being that, you know, I'm really just on the normal roads, I tend to burn up the middles more than the outside. But that's all right. That's all right. Not too bad. Let's let the lovely catch up with us. Up there she is. And yeah, so that's kind of the reason why I'm going with the tire that I'm going with. Ooh. Gosh, just am in love. And so we've posted some stuff on our Instagram today, and obviously you guys are seeing this a couple days later. So, but posted some stuff up this morning, and just the outpouring response to this paint job has just been amazing. So, you know, if you guys don't follow Eddie on Instagram, go check him out. Watch him do some work. He does hydro dipping, and he does paint, and he uses some of the best products. And he's just got the eye, man. He's just got the eye. I took him the bike with pictures, and I basically said I want it just like that picture. Now, obviously, the Corsa livery on the 2019 Ducati Panigale V4, you know, it's a whole different, you know, first of all, we're full fairing on that bike, so we had to be able to, you know, scrap some stuff and get rid of some stuff and add some stuff and improvise on some stuff. But realistically, the top half, and especially the tank and tail, I think that we pretty much knocked it out of the park. The front end is gorgeous, and I just love how we just made this nose look like it belongs on that Corsa. Lower fairings, that's where we kind of had to improvise, but Eddie just did a magnificent job. So I also encourage you to follow Eddie for future content, because Eddie always leaks my projects. And so if you guys had been following Eddie in the past, you guys would have seen that Eddie had been kind of leaking some stuff about this job. So I highly recommend you head over and give Eddie a follow. But again, you know, I can't thank you guys enough for all the outpour and the support on this build. We've still got more to go. So let me know where we go next. I know a lot of people are asking about carbon wheels, and am I going to go with carbon wheels? I will probably say no, I'm not going to go with carbon wheels. Here's the reason, is carbon wheels, they don't heat up quite as much as the metal wheels or the forged wheels. So, you know, the S1000 really didn't retain heat. And so if you're out on track and you're doing track day stuff, you can keep some heat in those tires because those carbon wheels are not. But out here in the streets, in the canyons, the carbon wheels you just lose heat, you know? You get behind some traffic and all your heat's lost in the tires. I mean, there's still some, but just, I don't think I'm gonna go that route. So always make sure you got your hand near the brake, baby. Because they move quick. They move quick. So here we are at the lovely Rutherford, and we're heading up to, I think we're going to stop here, and we're heading up to Calistoga and do our little loop, Middleton. So stay tuned, because I think I'm going to do another video later today. But here we are, babe. Just the pair of these things are just, love them. On point. Love it. Eddie, thank you. Shred Dog Hydrographic. Babe, I love you. And here we are. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, smash the like button. Like buttons are more important than you know. Likey. Comment down below. We're very active in the comments. Let me know what's next. What do we see in this area that's happening next? Yep, it's happening right around there. So parts have been here for almost a month for that area. But see you next video. Bye, guys.